the Kenya's National Assembly Committee on Appointments, chaired by Speaker Justin Muturi, today vetted candidates nominated by the President to the position of Cabinet Secretaries to determine their suitability. The nominees promised to intensify on the war against corruption in ministries and departments under their watch should they be confirmed to the positions. Well, here's part of the vetting sessions.
Madam Speaker, I've served in the government as an Assistant Minister for Energy, served this government as an Assistant Minister for Water, and also Public Works. I've been in one of the powerful committees of our Parliament, that is parliamentary, that is PIC.
Have you resigned as the chairman or leader of the GNU?
I resigned as the party leader of GNU on 8th of January 2014.
Now you are coming to a ministry which again, the former minister, her PS, and the Director General of NYS were not in good terms. Is it going to be the same? Are you going to have again conflict with your PS nominees who are being vetted by other committees?
Madam Speaker, if there is corruption in the ministry, expect there will be conflict there. Because again, Madam Speaker, I will not sit down there, but this time, Madam Speaker, I will not see it anywhere. Because I will take action, I will be in charge.
You at one time sat as the Assistant Minister for Energy in the Grand Coalition government. Can you tell us why you were sacked?
In politics, there's sometimes a price to be paid on whether you agree or disagree. I think at that time we had disagreed with the appointing authority, who was Honorable, the former Prime Minister. And I was the first one to be sacked as a sacrificial in the year 2010. And subsequently, the person who was asked followed me was also sacked, but I wasn't sacked because of any misdeed in the ministry.
You voted no with His Excellency the Deputy President. And we know very well that the current constitution excludes CSS. That is from the presidential parliamentary system to presidential system. And here you come in as a beneficiary. What is your opinion in terms of maybe cabinet secretaries coming from the floor of the House?
Those things are gone. We support, I support this constitution. On the issue of whether ministers can come from the House, I really subscribe to that, because those are the people who know the problems down where we represent.
And if I'm confirmed, is to ensure that devolution of health services does take effect. I'm of the opinion that we promise children free primary education or free education, but we must guarantee that they live up to the age of 5 to be able to enjoy that promise. If they die of measles, they die of those other diseases, then we lied to those children that we are going to give them free primary education. And therefore, primary health care, promotive and preventive services is where we put the resources. Afia House, as Mafia House, yes, a name which has given that institution a bad name. But I believe, and you alluded that in the context of corruption, whether it's in procurement or misuse of resources, I think the issue of corruption, of course, I have zero tolerance to corruption, and I will make sure my staff ascribe to that.